The next thing that we have is a contribution from the University of Wolverhampton. They put together a little video for us. If you came to the family show last year at the Malvern Festival of Innovation, you will have met Dr. Kay, who's the first person that's going to introduce a little talk about bouncing eggs.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kay.
Hi, I'm Elise. Hi, I'm Phoebe. And hi, I'm Heather.
And we are the STEM Response Team. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kay from the STEM Response Team. I spend so much time making fantastic videos for everybody at home, especially during lockdown, and now we're coming out of lockdown, we're carrying on doing all that stuff. But you know what, you've seen me with my fabulous assistants, my two fantastic sons, Che and Oak, and I think it's time for them to take the reins and do their own episode of our Science at Home. Are you ready, boys?
Yeah! Hey guys, it's Che, I'm Oak, and we're the Junior STEM Response Team. And today we're doing an excellent experiment from the STEM Response Team Science at Home book. What you need for this experiment is some eggs, some vinegar in a jar or a cup, and some food colouring. So first of all, we're going to get the vinegar in the jar or cup, unscrew the top, and then carefully place it down and get your food colouring, and then open it up gently and only get a few little drops. Hey Dad, what is vinegar?
It's acetic acid.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
So, after you place the food colouring in, you screw the top back on very nice and firm, and then just gently shake it till all the food colouring has passed through all the vinegar. Now, for this part, you're gonna get an egg, then unscrew get your vinegar jar or cup, carefully get your egg, then put it in there, and you screw it back up. And if you realise from all the egg puns, you guessed it, we're making the bouncy egg.
Sometime later.
We've left the eggs overnight in the jar of vinegar, and you can see the jar's gone all dirty. That's because the eggshell inside has been coming off and sticking. But before we do anything else, we'll have to wash the eggs in a tub of water. Now we have to wash the eggs to clean them off of the shells. Let's get a spoon and take them out very carefully. Yep. Because these eggs are heavy. They look like a rainbow.
Oh, yeah. I got mine. I got mine.
Oh,
they smell like vinegar. Now we're gonna get our hands in there. Ooh, oh, that feels weird. Oh,
now we've washed all the eggshell off, and then you can see the egg has completely changed. It's all squidgy. Mine didn't really turn out purple.
And you can see it looks like there's veins in there and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, it looks really cool.
Science time! Eggshells are made of calcium carbonate, and vinegar is an acid. When we put the egg in the vinegar, a chemical reaction happens.
And that's called an acid-base reaction.
Calcium carbonate is broken down into a gas.
And that gas is called
carbon dioxide.
So when you put the egg in the vinegar, you'll see it get covered in bubbles.
You might even see it float up and down.
Because it's a gas, you'll need to leave your jar open a little bit.
Now it's time to test.
Now we're gonna test if they're bouncy.
Whoa! That was cool. Now we're gonna do them a bit higher. And if they break, ooh, that would be good. But let's try anyway. Oh. Well, everyone, if you can see, well, we dropped them for a height that they didn't survive from. They exploded.
We hope you enjoyed our excellent experiment. Bye everyone!
Oh, and don't forget to check out the STEM Response Team webpage.
Hi everyone, my name is Heather and today I have a fantastic science experiment that you all can do at home. This is from our STEM at Home booklet, so today we'll be creating crystals.
So let's begin. The items that you'll need are sugar, salt, bicarbonate of soda, warm water, 3 droppers or pipettes, 3 spoons, 6 plastic containers or bowls or cups, a measuring cup or jug, and a marker. Firstly, we need to label the containers or bowls or cups, whatever item we are using, with the words salt, sugar and bicarb. This is so we can identify what solution is in each cup. Now for this bit you may need adult assistance as we're going to be using warm water. We need to pour half a cup or 125 millilitres of warm water into the container. We're going to start with the sugar first for this experiment. Add a spoonful of sugar to the water and stir until the sugar dissolves. Keep adding sugar until no more sugar will dissolve in the water. Once you've done this, you need to do exactly the same with the salts and for the bicarb. Once you've done this, you need to do exactly the same with the salts and for the bicarb. Once we have done this for the salt, sugar and bicarb, we can go ahead and start creating our crystals. So for this we'll need 3 separate droppers or pipettes, and we'll need another container or bowl or cup for each substance. So you need to place your dropper into one of the solutions and suck up some liquid and add a few drops of that solution in its new container. And you need to repeat these for the other 2 solutions. Once you have done this, you need to place the cups in a warm, sunny place and leave them until the liquid has evaporated. What do you think we'll see? So you can see here that we have some little crystals that have formed. So, what is happening? When a solid or a solute dissolves in water until no more dissolves, the solution is saturated. The amount of substance that dissolves in the water increases with temperature. As the solution cools back down to room temperature, there is no more solute in the water than there normally would be. So the solution is supersaturated. As the water evaporates, the solute precipitates out of the solution in the form of a crystal. This is an example of crystallization. You will notice that each precipitate forms slightly different crystals. They could be different sizes or different shapes.
So there you have it, how you can create crystals for yourself at home. I hope you'll all try this, and if you do, we'd love to see any of the crystals that you have made.